How can I force stop a program without using the mouse in Windows 10? I'm trying to debug a visualstudio C#Windows application that immediately takes over the desktop and disables mouse control. When it freezes, I need to be able to stop it somehow. I can press the Windows key or Ctrl-Alt-Delete and access the taskbar, but when I move the mouse onto the main part of my screen, it's always an hourglass icon and I can't interact. So when I right-click to close the application on the taskbar, a dialog pops up asking if I want to stop debugging. There's no way for me to click it. I also can't click on anything in Task Manager. I looked into how to end tasks from command prompt, but the directions don't make sense. Task/end requires a task name argument that seems to take a path, but I have no way of knowing what the path is that I'm supposed to input. Task list returns file names and ID numbers, but neither of those work for tasks. Does anyone have any suggestions?
You can use the command prompt to terminate processes. Open the Run box using Windows+R. Type CMD in the Run box and click Enter. Use the command task list to list all processes. Use the command taskl/f/ in executable name.exe/t to terminate the process.
Try the following. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl+Shift+Escape. Navigate using the arrow keys, and, to highlight the problematic process, press the Delete key to kill the process. If necessary, acknowledge the subsequent prompt by selecting the appropriate choice with the arrow keys, and press Enter.
A slight modification of the taskl answer. You can use wildcard if you don't remember/know the exact full name of the process, like so. It will kill all executables starting with that name, so make sure you don't just type something like S because that could obviously kill critical processes like SHAST. Also, the /t flag is for killing the tree of processes, which is the target process and all the child processes it spawned. It may not be necessary most of the time.
Microsoft/sysinternal's Skull tool can be used to kill a process via a command prompt, and it allows you to kill processes by process ID numbers or by process name. It also can be used to kill processes remotely. If the misbehaving program also managed to prevent you from using the keyboard, you could install Skull on another machine on your local network to kill the offending process.